In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks and activities in Nutshell CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log calls, meetings, and other follow-ups so nothing slips through the cracks and your pipeline stays on track. Start by opening Nutshell and looking to the top left of your screen. Click the plus Add New button. This is the quickest way to capture what you need without breaking your flow. From the drop-down, select Activity. Choosing activity tells Nutshell you're scheduling something time-bound, like a call, an in-person meeting, or a virtual meeting, rather than just storing a note. You'll see a form with a few fields. Begin with Type. Pick the option that best matches what you're planning: call, meeting, virtual meeting, or another activity type that fits your workflow. Selecting the right type helps your team understand what's happening at a glance and makes reporting clearer down the line. Next, set the date and time. Choose when the activity will happen and make sure it reflects the correct time zone for you and your participants. If it's a call-heavy day or a traveling day, consider building in a little buffer for transitions. Accuracy here ensures your calendar views and agenda summaries line up with your day. Now add your participants. In Nutshell, you can associate an activity with a lead, a person, or a company. Link the record that represents the relationship you're working with. For example, if the conversation advances a specific deal, connect it to the lead. If it's more of a general relationship touchpoint, you might link it to a person or the broader company. Associating the right record keeps history centralized and makes it easy for teammates to follow along. Use the Notes or Agenda field to set expectations. Jot down your objective, key talking points, and any context you want at your fingertips when the time comes. Clear notes help you prepare, and they make handoffs seamless if someone else needs to step in. When everything looks good, click Create Activity. Your activity is now logged in Nutshell and tied to the record you selected, so you and your team can find it on timelines and in calendar views without hunting. There's also a handy shortcut. If you're already on a lead, person, or company page, look for the Activity section and click plus Schedule an Activity. This route pre-fills the association for you, saving a few clicks and ensuring your activity is linked to the right place automatically. That's all there is to it. Simple, consistent, and designed to keep your day organized.